Place the terminal in a convenient location. Plug the power supply unit into a main socket and plug the power connector into the power socket on the Magic Cable connector unit. Plug the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port router and the ETH socket on the Magic Cable connector unit. Once the mains power is connected, the terminal will automatically power on. After a short initialization process, the main idle screen will be displayed and the terminal is ready to use. From the idle screen, enter the transaction sale amount and press the green button. The customer will then insert their card into the card reader. After validating the amount, the customer will enter their PIN and press the green button. The terminal will then dial out for authorization, and if the transaction is authorized, an auth code will be displayed. 2 receipts will be printed. The merchant copy will be printed first, then once you remove the customer's card, the customer copy will be printed. From the idle screen, press the menu button, then choose Refund. Enter the supervisor password and press the green button. Enter the refund amount, press the green button, then insert the customer's card into the reader. The terminal will dial out to the acquirer, and if accepted, the screen will display an authorization code. The terminal will print out a merchant copy receipt, which the customer must sign, then remove the card. Check the signature against the card, and if the signature is valid, choose Yes. Otherwise, select No. The terminal will print out the customer copy. To access the Reports menu, press the menu key twice and then Reports. Enter the supervisor password and then press the green button. Press F1 to complete the end of day process and ensure all transactions are sent to Global Payments for processing. Hold the terminal securely in one hand. With the other hand, and by using 2 fingers, lift the printer cover release. Fully open the printer cover and remove the old roll of paper. Unstick the end of the new roll, leaving the end free. Hold the paper roll and carefully place into the printer compartment. Holding the free end of the paper in the terminal, close the printer cover and push firmly until it locks. While your terminal is displaying the idle screen, press and hold the arrow key to ensure that the paper feeds correctly.